In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create circular text using the ellipse and artistic text tools in Affinity. First, open Affinity and create a new document or use an existing one. Any canvas size will work for this technique, so choose whatever fits your project. To keep your workspace clean, you can toggle snapping on if you want precise alignment, but it isn't required. Next, select the ellipse tool from the toolbar. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your circle. If you want a perfect circle, hold the Shift key while dragging. You don't need to worry about fill colors here because we're using this shape as a path for the text. A clear stroke outline is helpful though, so you can see the edge you'll be working with. Now switch to the text tools. From the text flyout, choose the artistic text tool. Move your cursor toward the inside edge of the ellipse. As you hover over that edge, you'll notice the cursor changes, indicating that Affinity is ready to place text on the path. That's your cue. Click once on the edge. Instantly, the ellipse becomes a text path, and you can begin typing. You'll see your text follow the curve of the circle, creating a smooth, circular, logo-style effect. If your text appears on the outside or upside down, don't worry, just look for the small start and end handles along the path and drag them around the circle to reposition the text. You can also drag the baseline handle slightly toward the inside or outside to flip the text orientation. From the context toolbar, adjust the font, size, tracking, and alignment to fine-tune the look. A slightly increased tracking often makes curved text easier to read. If your text overlaps itself, simply expand the circle a bit with the Move tool or reduce the font size. You can continue to edit the text like any other artistic text. Change fonts to match your brand, tweak weights for emphasis, and experiment with all caps or small caps for a badge-style design. Keep an eye on spacing around the top and bottom of the circle. Even spacing creates a more professional finish. Once you're happy, you're essentially done. The ellipse is now serving as the path for your text, giving you a clean, circular type treatment that's perfect for logos, badges, stickers, and stamps. Save your document, and you're ready to export. That's all it takes to create text on a circle in Affinity with the ellipse and artistic text tools. Keep practicing with different fonts and sizes to find the style that fits your project best.